Flexible versus rigid pavement. Which road to choose? Ever wondered why some roads are smooth and black, while others are made of concrete slabs? Let's break down the key differences between flexible and rigid pavements. Flexible pavement, typically made of asphalt, distributes load through multiple layers. Think of it as a shock absorber, adapting to movements in the ground beneath. It's cheaper to build initially, making it a popular choice for many roads. However, this type of pavement requires more frequent maintenance to keep it in good condition. Flexible pavements typically last 10 to 15 years. Rigid pavement, usually made of concrete, distributes load through its strong slab structure. This makes it incredibly durable and resistant to heavy traffic. While the initial cost is higher, rigid pavement requires less maintenance over its lifespan. Expect a lifespan of 30 to 50 years, making it a long-term investment. However, it's less flexible and can be prone to cracking. Flexible pavements are commonly used for highways and rural roads where cost-effectiveness is a priority. Rigid pavements are often found in airports, expressways, and industrial areas where durability and heavy load capacity are essential.